Everything that's happening in our life, it was on God's plan.
Everything that is happening?
Yeah. Sometimes you want something and God is not giving it to you. It's not because He don't love you, but He has something better for you. Hello guys! So, second day na to nang wala kaming kuryente. So, we're at the coffee shop and we are finally using yung nabili natin kahapon. Aiden, come here! Almost done. And, natutuwa ako dito kasi ang galing ni Aiden. Tignan nyo ah. Ayan, sinasagutan niya to.
Bus!
So, number 2 first.
Bus!
Number 2.
Bus!
Huh?
Bus!
Oh, circle it. Big circle. Bus. Okay. Now, this one. What's this one? What's that? Cup. Very good. Next. This one.
No.
Nut. Where's nut?
Not.
Yeah. Good job. What's that? Huh?
Cup.
Cub. Yes. On ko nga yung mic para marinig mo siya.
But.
What's that?
But. This one.
What's that? Read.
This. But.
Bag! Good job! Galing niya, di ba? Galing niya, di ba? Nasagutan niya. Hanap tayo ng iba na ano niya. Na pwede niyang sagutan. Yung iba kasi medyo mahirap eh. For his age pa. Wait. Parang long and short. O. Wait. Tignan niyo. Ang cute ng isa. Ayan, he even answered this one. Tape, baby, snail, maid, tail, at saka jail. Ang galing. Good job, AA. Good job. At saka nahanap niya yung ano sa puzzle. Nasa yung puzzle kanina. Sayang hindi ko na-record. Hindi ko na-video. Ah, this one. Aiden, I have another one. Come here. Sit with mom.
Buffalo.
What's that?
Boat.
Boat. What's next?
Go.
Good job yan. Oh, what's next? Ay, dali na. Answer na.
Good.
This one? Circle. Gold.
Gold.
Which one is gold?
This one.
Circle it.
Good.
No. Alam niyong mali. Tumatawa siya. No! I-erase niya din. Alam niyong mali. Tumatawa. Yan yung maloko yan eh. Oh, where's gold?
Ooh.
Yes! Good job!
Good.
Gold.
Good.
Next. What's that?
Pillow.
Oh, where's the pillow?
Good.
Yay! Good job! Pillow! Huh?
To the bookstore.
You're gonna go to the bookstore? Only read.
Read.
No buy books.
Oh,
Only read in a bookstore, but we're not buying. Okay?
Read the books.
You wanna fight? It's a mommy and baby bunny. It's a Lily and AA bunny. What is that? Okay, we have to put it back.
It's a mama when she was little.
Fights! Always have the cutest items here. White tiger.
Okay, let's put the unicorns back. Good night. Aiden, do you want to fight? Yo.
So cute. Ang dami dito itong mga magagandang toys, okay yung price. We have to hide this from AA.
This is why I like it.
We can give it to AA. Sa birthday niya or sa Pasko. Tignan nyo guys, mahilig siya sa mga ganyang bear. Magkano to siya? 450. Ayan. Dito kami sa healthy options. We'll get Aiden his cereal na gluten-free at saka yung kanyang pancake. As for babies, yeah. What's that? That's your cereal. You want one? You have to pay, okay? Wow! Happy? Show me happy face. Come in. We'll buy more. I need to get here. Don't have the pancake anymore. Aiden! Where'd you go? I hope they have it here. Gluten-free pancake. That's not the brand that we used last time. Maybe this is good as well. Which brand was it that you used last time?
It was like the person for that.
Is it the same one?
Another person.
Is this the same one or no?
I just don't know.
You don't know. Let's go and pay.
That's done.
Okay, keep going. We've got Aiden's cereal and fountain. And daan tayo ng bookstore. Palipas tayo ng oras doon. And we'll go home. Look at all these Eric Carle books, Aiden. Look. Hello, Mr. Yellow Duck.
Anyone who messes with my little brother finds out the hard way. My father calls me his little storm cloud, which is fitting because
We're done! Going home na! Hello! We are home, mga mi, and I'm super duper excited.
Nanay.
Oh, mommy, long. Long mom.
Why? What's wrong with Nanay?
I don't know, I'm not used to it eh. Like, AA, call me mom. Not mom, you're not that old pa. Okay lang sana mag-mom kang ganyan kung malaki ka na. Baby ka pa eh. And I'm so happy kasi finally yung ilaw natin dito okay na siya. Pinalitan ko siya ng mas mababang watts kasi yung nakaraang wattage natin dito is parang 30. Sobrang init niya. Maliwanag siya, but super liwanag to the point na nararamdaman mo yung init galing doon sa ano. Para kang nililimliman na 45 days. Ganun. But anyway, we're so happy. Guys, it's my birthday soon. So it's my birthday this week. Ang birthday ko is Thursday this week. Right? And Lily always tell me, Mommy, why you're not buying anything for yourself?
So, we go to the face shop.
We gone to the face shop today at super happy ni Lily because
She bought something for herself.
buyed.
She bought something.
Yeah, there you go. Happy si Lily kasi bumili ako ng something para sa sarili ko. Ang dami ng freebies ngayon, kaya sinamantala ko. So, when you get one of these, you will get a free na cushion, ano tawag dito? Yung pang ano niya, pang refill. So, pag naubos mo to, meron ka ng pang refill.
This?
It's the same, but it's only the inside of it, not the case. It doesn't have a case. So, when it's empty, you take it out and then you replace it. There's more product in here. So, what I got is ink lasting cushion. I've been using this nung dalaga pa ako, but not the glow one. Parang ginagamit ko is yung matte nila. But this time, I've got the glow kasi dry nga yung skin ko. No? And I just want to show you guys that my skin has cleared up since the last time na nagbangkit ako sa inyo. Ang tsaka ng skin ko. And I started using Rejuve. So, naka 1 month na ako sa Rejuve. And ayan na po yung effect niya. Super clear ng skin ko. So happy. Marami silang mga pa buy one take one, pa 50%. So today, buy one take one nila yung pang eyebrow, which is, that's what I went for. Kasi wala na akong pang kilay, guys. That's why the past few vlogs, or parang past few months, wala akong kilay. Parang ginagamit ko lang yung pang brush. And I love kapag naglagay ako ng eyebrow pencil sa kilay ko. I love the look. Sobrang nag-elevate talaga yung itsura mo. I have two favorites eyebrow pencil. Yung isa from Benefit and then yung isa from the Face Shop. And yung from the Face Shop, ito yung shade na ginagamit ko. Dalaga pa ako bago pa ako nag-change to Benefit. And buy one take one sila. Pwede ka rin bumili nito. Tapos yung free mo, yung brow cara nila o parang mascara for the eyebrow. So when you apply itong pencil, meron kang mascara na i-apply sa eyebrow mo so that it stays in place. Kaya lang, wala na akong shades nun. Yung shade nila parang lighter. So buy one, take one siya. So I've got two of them. Yung shade na gamit ko is 02 o yung gray brown. Ayan. Saktong-sakto sa kulay ko to. As in. Sabi nila, Ma'am, baka gusto mo pa mag-add kasi pag naka-reach ka ng ganitong amount, meron kang free na, what's this one? Parang serum. May free kang serum at saka face mask. Sabi ko, okay, go. So, I've got myself brightening face mask. I've been using this as well, ha? Dati pa. I have Lily na. Na-remember ko, I have Lily na. When I use this. Ayan. So, I've got lemon kasi ano to siya, nakaka-brighten talaga siya ng skin. And then, they gave me free na avocado and another lemon. And then also, sabi nila, mag-add din kami ng hyaluronic cream. So, soothing, moisturizing, cream. Kasi naririnig nila, sabi ko, wala kayong hyaluronic na product. Kasi kailangan talaga ng skin ko ng pang-moisturizing, ng moisturizer. Yun yung wala tayo sa Lilibel, which I wish we have moisturizer. Hopefully soon, we'll be able to come up with a moisturizer. But for now, I'll be using itong free muna nila na hyaluronic cream. But anyway, I'm so happy with my skin now so far. Hindi ko alam kung napapansin nyo, pero nawala na rin yung, may linya ako dito sa noo eh. Kasi pag gumanyan ka, ayan, di ba may line siya dyan. Tapos, pag gumanyan ka, naiiwan yun. Pati yung line dito. Yung dito, matagal na yan talaga. I'm so happy. Are you happy? For mom?
Mommy, what is this?
This is their Plum Flower Revitalizing Serum. After applying toner, apply an appropriate amount onto entire face, gently pat for
Mommy,
promotion.
I asked for help.
You wanna ask for help? Tingnan niyo naman ang itsura ng anak ko.
Ask for help, Mom.
Ano yung nasa noo mo? What happened to your forehead? Look at your forehead.
What happened to the TV? The TV.
What happened to your head? Look. What's that on your head? Please. What's that?
In the dirty.
Yeah, it's dirty. It's dirty. What are we gonna do with that? Should you shower na?
No.
You wanna wash your face?
No.
Wash your hands. Go wash your face and wash your hands and then come back. And then I also got my light sa Akari na shop dito sa BGC. And it's so nice. Ito yung kulay niya. Hindi siya, talagang tamang-tama siya. So maybe next time, bibili ulit ako ng ganito. Tricolor na to siya eh. Tingnan niyo. Nakakatuwa. Ito yung daylight. Ito yung kulay nung ilaw namin nakaraan. Kaya sobrang bright, diba? Tapos, ito yung warm. And then, ito yung cool white. Ayan, diba? Ang ganda. Anyway. Thank you. Ayan, may dumating din pala akong in-order sa Shopee na ano to, na ilalagay sa Christmas tree. Kaya na-realize ko, mas mahal siya for some reason online compare sa yung nabili ko sa department store. Maybe because yung mga pinili ko kasi sa department store, puro sila 50% off. So, parang each na malalaking candy na ano na siya na ornament, parang 75 pesos, 70, 60 pesos. Ito parang nasa ano to, 300 plus. Tapos, ilang piraso lang siya. Mahal.
Mommy's a parent. Lily's a sister. Mommy, ask your parent for help.
Ha?
Mommy, ask your parent for help.
Ask parents for help? Oh, wait lang anak. Dami mo nang malalaman ha. Wait lang. Ang dami ko nang ganap-ganap ngayon. Kinabit ko rin kanina yung ating mga bookshelf. Natatandaan niyo to. Ayan. So, dalawa lang yung nakabit ko before. Tapos, tinanggal ko tong isa. Kasi nag-rearrange ako. Tapos, ngayon, binalik ko na siya dyan. And then, ito, nakabili ako nung, strip ulit. So, ayan na siya. It looks nice. Magulo lang yung aking mga cortina sa ngayon. Tsaka madilim yung ilaw natin. But, I think it looks so good over there. Parang kailangan ko lang palitan yung mga books na nakalagay dyan kasi it's mostly pang kay Ate Lily. Although okay din naman kasi gusto ko nga na puro kay Ate yung nandyan. That way, Aiden won't touch it. Kasi pag si Aiden, baka mamaya, hawak lang siya ng hawak lang, magnilaglagan sila. But anyway, pwede pa tayo maglagay ng books pa. Oh, I found a book that I've been looking for kanina sa fully book. Kaya lang medyo pricey siya mga kami. Parang 1 for yun. Tapos tumingin ako online. May nakita ko 200 plus. So online na lang tayo bibili kapag nagka-budget. It's called The Book You Wish Your Parent Have Read and Your Kids Will Be Glad That You Did. Something like that. But ilagay ko siya dito.
Yeah, it did.
Huh? It sounds like that, no? But anyway, guys, slowly, everything in our house is coming together na after 6 months of staying here, I think. So, excited si Lily kasi tomorrow we're going to
put up the Christmas tree.
Yeah, we're gonna put up the Christmas tree.
I put up the decoration.
Yeah. Usually, we put up the Christmas tree around December 1 kasi may kasabihan, sabi ni Daddy, sabi daw ng mama niya, na it's a bad luck to put up the Christmas tree before December 1. So, pinapalaw namin yon ever since. And then, parang feeling ko, parang bad luck pa rin dumarating this past few years. So, sabi ko, you know what? We'll do it Filipino style. We'll do it early. Kaya lang, hindi naman super early kagaya na
So, Filipinos put on the Christmas tree early?
September. Yeah.
September?
Yeah. Grandma Nida, when I was younger, would be putting up Christmas tree or Christmas tree branch when we were on September. Ganyan, si Mama dati. And like I said before, I didn't want to put up a Christmas tree. But
there was no bad luck.
No, I don't think so. I don't want to believe in bad luck anyway because I only believe in God. Right? Everything that's happening in our life was on God's plan.
Everything that is happening?
Yeah. Sometimes when you feel like you want something and God is not giving it to you, it's not because He don't love you, but he has something better for you.
Okay.
So I don't believe in potluck. So we'll be putting up the Christmas tree tomorrow. So I will name it Vlogmas Day 1. Kahit November pa lang when you see the video. But I just want to put it there because I want it to be a Vlogmas. And I can't wait until December 1 because Lily is super excited. She always asks every single day, Mommy, when are we gonna put up the Christmas tree? Can you please not put up the Christmas tree without me? No.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna do that. I might have to rearrange again the house so that there's a space for the Christmas tree. But yeah, I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yeah. And where can we put it?
So I'm thinking, if we put the TV here again, maybe there's a space over there in that corner.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah, right? So maybe the Christmas tree will fit. If not, we will put the TV all the way there and then the couch there. And then here will be the tables and chairs. And then there's gonna be space there. If not, we will put the Christmas tree there, the couch here, this TV here, yeah. Maybe your study table will have to go here or something. I don't know. But then the dining will have to go there. Does that make sense? I don't know. We'll figure something out. Okay. So yeah. Anyway, hey, can we put away the books? Aiden, put it on the table, please. On top of each other, please. Ganito lagi sa Aiden ginagawa niyo, guys. So alam niyo naman yung mga kids on the spectrum, they like to line things up.
Panda bear.
Okay, you can have one book, Panda Bear, but the rest have to go to. Where do you put the other ones? Where do you put the other books?
In the cupboard. And the table.
In the table. There you go. Oh my. Do you need help? Ayan, oh. Pero pag sinabihan mo naman siya na magligpit, liligpit niya. Kaya lang, mga 20 minutes, babalik niya rin yan dyan. And also, siya, paborito niya yan lately, si Panda Bear. So humihirit pa siya, Mommy, only one Panda Bear. Ganyan. So, hayaan natin siya sa only one Panda Bear niya. Anyway, okay, alright. Open the door, please. I'm gonna prepare their dinner na. Tignan niyo, ang ganda, ang liwanag, oh. Palitan na natin yung ilaw doon. Next month. Let's make their dinner.